Well, the Airbnb wouldn't let us turn the air conditioning down past 75. So me and the boys slept in here. We had the AC on all night, nice and cold. Agreeing, Levi?
Yeah.
Well, we finally put in. We're in the water, baby. Let's go. Look at the water. Oh my gosh. What happened, Gray? It's all right. Look at this water. Oh my gosh. This is insane. It literally looks like the Bahamas. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Great, it's Saturday. Well, you'll be able to fix it. It's all right.
I know how to fix it.
There's a giant stingray, boys, right there. A huge one.
Oh,
I really wanted to show you the insane water here right now. It's mind-blowing. We just saw a huge stingray already, a black one, a big black one. Poor Levi's got to wear a sweater all day. Hey guys, it's our first time seeing the Sailfish Marina from the water. How sweet is that? This water is the clearest water in all of Florida. I know. Oh man. There's the point, our favorite walk spot. We stay at the Marriott. This water though is just mesmerizing. Like, it's insane. Absolutely ridiculous. I just can't even believe how good it looks. Yeah, one of the Sailfish Marina for lunch. He wasn't actually talking to you guys about fishing, eh? He was trying to get those people's attention. What's that? Look at that. We could literally go snorkeling right here, guys. Obviously you wouldn't be allowed, but you're not allowed fishing right here. Do you know why they hang out here? Because this is where the fishermen come and they bring the scraps and they throw all the scraps in. This is the clearest water anywhere. We gotta get Levi a t-shirt though. He must be cooking. This whole video, Levi's wearing a hoodie. It's so funny.
Hot today.
So hot out, he's wearing a hoodie.
Local mahi-mahi.
Chicken Caesar wraps. Hey, Grace, say hi to Mom. Tell mom if you're having a good time or not.
I'm having a great time. This food is awesome. I got all the lures that I love, and like we just had an amazing meal. And the water is crazy
Get your net in the water, Gray. Have it in the water already. Oh, that's a gorgeous fish. Yay! What fish is that? I think just grab him. Bring him here. Let's put him on the ice. Levi, hold him up, bud. Let's get a picture.
What type of fish it is?
Hold it up. That's it, the recovery. You did it. Here. Atta boy.
There's no fish on it?
I don't know, let's see. Nope, no fish. We got our rod back. Ah, good job, boys. Thanks, Gray and Levi. Good job.
Stitches on his arm.
From an iguana.
Yeah, they bite really hard.
There's another nice little green iguana. Actually, it's not little. That's a big one.
Grab it, snipe it.
No, Gray, you're not going to hit it with a rock.
That's his trick shot. texting them. They're like, "What are you guys doing here?" Oh, we're
Those ones are so cool. I love their color. This is my all-time. This is my all-time favorite place to grill right here. Look at this.
You know you're supposed to use fishing rods to grab them, Greg? You put like a little piece of meat on the end of the fishing rod, and then they eat it.
We're gonna get a chair.
From our room.
Oh, there's somebody's phone on there. It's a good spot.
Make fun of me. So goodbye, small ball sack.
Great.
It's like the most stupid voice ever.
What a bunch of random words smushed together in a sentence.
Speed.
Yeah, he's booking it.
I don't feel comfortable people say that.
Look at this water. This is... This guy's probably going to Bahamas. Building material, some trucks.
They're like, "Hey, are you guys here today?" They're like, "Okay, guys, we're not allowed to put the shirt on it and put it in a hole." They're like, "Okay, we see the nurse check. Right beside the nurse check, we grab it. Eats it. They almost have it. It's like literally almost in the net and it comes out.
Is that why you guys were chasing it over
I
there?
tried to grab it, but then the little kid got in the way and tried to net it.
I think those are the kids whose masks you're using, so make sure you're being nice.
Why is it mine?
Give me your rod, Levi. What are you working with? What equipment do you got here?
We're working with the $400. The line's gone. Yo, the line is gone.
Oh, tell Gray he ripped it. Gray's out there delivering the bait. Gray, you pulled too hard.
What?
Yeah. Oh yeah, they got a lot of fish. I know, man. It would have been perfect. Let's see your drink. What'd you get?
Lemonade
He
with cherry.
seriously gave you guys that for free?
He would do that last time.
Does he remember you guys or something? Did you ask for it or what did you say?
Oh, this stings my arms. Oh, I think my arms
Did
are
you
hurt.
did you ask him
Getting
for
water?
something?
No. And there was none left in the hydration system. And he was throwing snowballs at us. And he was like, come on, guys, you want some lemonade?
Ah, I'll have to go give him a tip after this.
Oh,
Nice. Okay, Levi's turn. Let Levi try now.
I want to try. I'm sitting on it. It's a chair. That's
Gray, that's so selfish. Levi have a turn. Yeah. As soon as he gets too low, Levi's just gonna be able to twist it again. That's funny.
It's like a 2 mile an hour thing. I'm just trying to sit on it. It's nice to you.
All right, let's see Levi go.
Nice to sit on it.
Ready, Levi? Bum, 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 bum.
It's so fun.
Here he goes. This is gonna be your social media profile.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot.
Of course it's hot. It's called a hot tub.
I hope it hurt. I hope you boil a lot.
Did he take the tip from you guys? Oh, that's
He's like,
nice.
oh, you guys got muddy?
That's funny.
And he's like, hey, are you guys driving? And we're like, no. And he's like, okay,
He's like,
come
all
have
right,
another
let's
one."
get lemonade wasted.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
That's funny. He's the same guy last year that would give us, our kids, all of them, free snow cones like every single day.
He does not care about those snow cones. He's throwing them at me.
He's
We can
chucking
have
them.
it, you know.
The way you started to push it before.
Who did? Really?
He's 11 years old.
You had an electric piano like Hey, not right now. I'm hooking it up. Put it away. I'm hooking it up. Don't get Guys, I'm gonna test this. Is the current changing again? Because like that. Look. My thing would have been going under the boat.
No, the current's pushing us. Look at how far away the buoy is now.
On my rod as well, but it's not. Go, 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 go. Go.
Okay, I'm going.
He's on it.
Got your, is it cold still, Gray?
Yes.
Did you close the zipper again in the cooler?
Yep.
Good boy. Okay, Gray and Levi, look. Gray, cheese. There we go. Gonna give Levi a bite, or Levi doesn't like the tomatoes.
Honestly, it's such a nice day.
What do I hear? Radio or something all of a sudden?
My dad said, what am I hearing right now? actually catch a jack.
Who's there?
And we'll get it immediately. Not even with the popo. That was a funny joke. That was a funny joke.
You can't touch it. They're not real.
This is bad.
I really thought you did.
I told you you're naked.
Grab a one.
Toss it over.
Well, it was a super good time. Had a lot of fun with Gray and Levi today on the boat. Can't wait to hopefully get a chance to do it again. See you, boys. Midnight snack. Midnight snack, hey boys?
Oh, right off the table. Was that bird poop?
Yeah, it's bird poo, Levi.
We were gonna come here tomorrow and say, what the heck happened to the baby?
Well, it's 12:30 in the morning. It's in the final stretch. Excited to get home. And this happened. And every single one of these nuts is so hard to get off. They're so rusted. Watch. This is what I've been doing for half an hour. Ready? There we go. For the last 30 minutes. Just to get off 5 bolts. Listen. Mmm.